Hello, welcome. Let's draw Slimer. So he's a big kind of blob, ghosty blob. So you're going to make a line like that, curvy line. Make another curvy line like that. And then you go like that. It's the top of his head. And you come down for the left side of his cheek. You can do the right side of his face. It's his right arm. Go like that. Go like that for the inside of his arm. Down to his ghosty hand. His fingers. My angle's a little weird. I'm going to fix it. I promise. Camera issues. So then you're going to draw the bottom part of his body. Kind of wrinkled up a little bit here. It's like a compressed, nasty ghost. A real nasty one, too. Alright, his eyes. Go like that. He's got this cheek blob here. I'm going to work on the left side of his mouth. He's got a big open mouth. So for his eyes, you go like this and like this. And then you work on his nose. Go like that. Make kind of a squiggle underneath for the underside of his nose, top part of his mouth. Kind of like a bird. Make two little dots for his pupils. And you round it over like that. That's the very top of his mouth, where his teeth are coming out of. So for his teeth, you go like this, make these little squiggly lines, his gums, and then you make his teeth. And little chiclets. And for the other side of his mouth, you go like this, like a curvy line coming down. That's the bottom part of his mouth. He's got a very big mouth. That's going to be his tongue coming out of his mouth. Go like that. And like that. For his throat, I kind of did this sort of M on top of his tongue like that. It gives it a throat effect. Now, let's see. He's got more more of these kind of blobby, ghosty wrinkles all over the place. Kind of make him look more like a slimy Slimer ghost. Like that. It's like the bottom part of his chin. He's got some neck wrinkles there. Some chin cheek wrinkles. Like that. You work on his left arm. Like that, and like that. His hand coming down, his fingers kind of drooping down. Darkening his forearm there. The bottom part of his body, connected all together. Give him some more ghosty wrinkles, blobbiness. Wrinkles in his hand, knuckles, kind of knuckles. Give him a little bit more details and crevices and ghosty wrinkles and a little bit shady spots and stuff like that. Emphasize some of his cheek areas and then you color him in. Something strange in the neighborhood. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. Something weird and it don't look good. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. I ain't afraid no ghost. I ain't afraid no ghost. Seeing things running through your head. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. Invisible man sleeping in your bed. Oh, who you gonna call? I ain't afraid of no ghost. What? I ain't afraid of no ghost. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. If you're all alone, pick up the phone. Call Ghostbusters. I ain't afraid of no ghost. I ain't afraid of no ghost. Ghostbusters. If you've had a dose, maybe a freaky ghost. Ghostbusters. Do you do? Let's do this once more. Ghostbusters. Busters. Ghostbusters. 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 Ghostbusters.
Ghostbusters. Afraid no ghost. Afraid no ghost. See your brains
Running through your head. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. Invisible man sleeping in your bed. Oh, who you gonna call? Not afraid of no ghost. What? Not afraid of no ghost. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. If you're all alone, pick up the phone. Call Ghostbusters. I ain't afraid of no ghost. I ain't afraid of no ghost. Why, thank you so much for watching to the end. Please subscribe. Please hit that like button. Hit that bell for notifications of my new videos that come out a lot right now. Like 2 a week I'm trying for. Plus some shorts. So yeah, thank you.